In this video, I'll show you how to find Solana Memecoins early. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, not first, I'll be attaching the link in this video description. This video basically is for educational purpose only, so I'm going to share my thoughts on what you should know, right? So you need to come over to this website. You need to click on this new page, right? Once I clicked on it, you would click on this 1 minute. And one thing I like about this site is that whatever token that are launched on Radium, on pump.fun, or on Moonshot by Desgreener, it would all be disclosed, it would all be displayed here, right? So this token basically gives you access to a whole lot of things, a whole lot of tokens, a whole lot of meme coins. So you can look at this. These tokens are launching in seconds, right? Like even if you want to buy every token here, I'm not sure you can do that, right? like you can't do that, bro, at all. So these tokens, you can see there's a whole lot of tokens right here. So if you come on here, you can see come on, you can click on this, you can see the top trending tokens as well. Dino has a market cap of I think $53,000. It is just launched 28 minutes ago. And if you look at this token, you see that this token is good, right? The degen audit, no mint, no blacklist, it's burnt, top 10 orders, everything is cool, right? So you can come on here. If you want to do this, you can do this. You can still follow some profitable traders here, right? You can still add your holdings here. So what you need to do, you need to click on this new pair for you to access a whole lot of tokens, right? So click on this new pair, you'll be able to get access to a whole lot of tokens. So I'm attaching the link of this site in this video description, so ensure you check it out. If you got any questions you want to ask me, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.